Hi my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Happy December, you guys. I can't believe the year is coming to an end and December is the last month of 2018 before 2019 comes, and it's crazy how fast this year went. The days are just coming by super fast, and I know I always say this, but it's just seriously, it's just going by so fast. And yeah, I can't believe it. Today is definitely more of a laid-back video. As you can see, I'm in front of my Christmas tree back here. You're just seeing a little glimpse of it, but yeah, I feel like I want to be in a different space or a different spot just for this video. More laid-back, just kind of more old school YouTube, I guess you would say, because I know when I was watching YouTube, this was definitely a popular video. Like, these were popular videos that I would see. And it's a what's in my bag. I mean, I guess there's still some people that do these videos, but honestly, like, the people that I watch, they don't really do these videos anymore. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring it back and show you guys what's in my bag. So this is the Tory Burch Marsden leather wallet crossbody bag. I bought this from Nordstrom for $228. I got this when Nordstrom had their sale. So it was definitely more expensive than that, but I got a really good deal with this purse, I feel. And it's a really smaller purse. It has these nice thin straps, which I really like. I mean, and I also like crossbody, so I just like to swing it over my body and carry it around. And I feel like it's also a perfect size. It's not too small or too big, and it came in other colors, but black is so versatile that I feel like it just matches everything. So I got my hands on this, and I got this from a recommendation from Diana Saldana on YouTube. So she has really great fashion, and I really like her fashion. And when she talked about this purse, I knew I had to get my hands on it. It's definitely thinner, as you can see on here. It has the Tory Burch logo right here, and then it's actually, I've packed so much more. The reason I wanted to get a smaller bag was so I didn't have to pack so much stuff in here, but yet it still looks pretty fat and has a lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside my purse, and yeah, let's just do a laid back what's in my bag video. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what's in this bag, then please keep watching. Alright, so first you open up the bag, and I have a lot of junk in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, just so much junk. I really need to clean out my purse. I mean, the reason why I wanted to get this bag was because it was kind of like a wallet as well. So like, it was supposed to help me, you know, just carry the essential stuff. But of course, stuff just gets thrown in here. We have some cash in here, which is not that much. I'm not a baller, you guys, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like 4 slots in here. So I think that's really unique, because I don't really have to carry a wallet, you know. And sometimes wallet is just so heavy, and it just makes your purse so much heavier. So I feel like you just need to put your important cards in these slots, and then they have another slot right here where you could put like the cash and stuff. So of course I got just $3 in cash. You guys, who carry cash nowadays? I have a hairband, of course. And then I have some receipts. I have a lot of receipts. Let's see, what is this receipt? It's from Marshall's. I just love throwing receipts in my bags, you guys. Next up we have is Crazy Rich Asians. The ticket, it's really worn out now. I really need to put this aside. I mean, put this in my scrapbook. Me and my girlfriend has a scrapbook where we keep track of all of our tickets from the theaters, and we have not been doing that lately, so we really need to get back on that. So I got some coins on here. Alright, so that's what's in this tiny little slot back here. Now we have the cards. I just have my essential cards, of course. So I have my driver's license. It's when I'm still a blondie, you guys, so we have a power card from Dave & Buster's. We are definitely lovers of Dave & Buster's because yeah, it's fun. It's really fun. So I should definitely go and try that. My debit card is actually with my girlfriend, so I actually don't have it in my purse right now. But yes, my debit card is definitely in here too. I have my credit card right here. My TJX Rewards credit card right here. I have 2 Optum Bank Health Savings card. Me and my girlfriend's a card on here, and this is really handy. This is a Topgolf card as well. Whenever I go play. And then next up we have all the mess in here. Have another receipt, which I'm gonna be throwing away after this. It's a Safeway receipt. And then I have my hand sanitizer. So this is from Bath & Body Works, and this is the Cucumber Melon. Of course, we have my badge from work. This was 6 years ago, you guys. How crazy is that? I look so different. Like, I don't know who this girl is. Speaking of 6 years ago, I just tossed this in my bag and I haven't gotten it, but it was a happy 6th anniversary from work. So I've been a VSP for 6 years now, you guys. How crazy is that? And then we have all of my lippies in here. The only makeup that I carry are definitely just lipsticks, you guys. I mean, they're the essentials. So I got a pen, of course. It's necessary to have a pen. My keys, of course. We need keys. And then for lipsticks, I have just a bunch of lipsticks left, you guys. I always carry my Blistex. This is what I keep to moisturize my lips. One lip liner, and this is from Makeup Forever, and this is the Wherever Walnut. So it's just a nude one. I mean, I feel like it's just really goes well with a lot of my lipsticks, especially since I wear a lot of nude lipsticks. 3 Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, of course. So I have this one in Lazy Daisy. It's a pink one. Then I have Truffle, which is a light pink one as well. It's like a nude. And this is like my all-time favorite. This is the one I wear when I don't know what I want to put on my lips. So this one is definitely my go-to. And then I have this other one, Catching Feelings from Dose of Colors, one of their little mini lipsticks. And yeah, I just want all kind of different nudes, you know, when it comes to lipsticks. So that's why I have so much. Lastly, I got 2 left, and I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Veronica. It's definitely more of a darker mauve tone shade. I want options, you know, in my bag. So of course I carry a darker one, and I carry a bunch of nudes. And then I also have this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick as well. So it's also like a darker lipstick, and this is in the shade Very Victoria. I feel like this is a really cute, sleek bag, and I've just been carrying it around ever since I got it. I haven't switched it out yet or anything. I usually carry my Michael Kors backpack, but I feel like I just stuff too much stuff in there and it just becomes super fat. So yeah, that is all that I have in my bag, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, it's really laid back. It's December. I'm in front of my tree, of course, and I just wanted to be in a different place, so the lighting might be a little bit off, guys. So I really hope you guys like this video, just more chill. And yeah, stay tuned for another makeup look. Yeah, that is all that I have, you guys. But yeah, I'm super excited for Christmas coming up. It's the holidays, and it always makes me feel super happy, and I just love the music and just the festivities of the holidays. So really excited for this coming Christmas. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye.